Mom, I want to introduce you to my new boyfriend, Edward. Isn't he cute?
Yes. Oh my goodness, he reminds me of someone.
I thought it would be fun if we could turn him into Edward Scissorhands. He already has this whole like punk rock.
Well, he is. What does he do?
He's in a what is it? What do you do?
I play drums.
Oh, it's
in a rock band.
In a rock band. Well, he's perfect to be Edward Scissorhands, and I'm perfect to be Peg Boggs and Kim Boggs here, and of course Edward. But I'm here with
Aileen
and Jeremy. And what's your channel?
Our channel's called FLEPT.
And I'm Indiana Jones, and we're gonna make him into Edward Scissorhands today for Halloween. So come right back. Hi guys, we're back, and I'm here with Jeremy and Aileen, and we're gonna convert Jeremy magically into Edward Scissorhands. I mean, look at that bone structure and those eyes. Is he not more perfect? Couldn't be more perfect. Okay, first thing we're gonna do, and I know this is gonna be weird.
Okay.
But you, my dear, are gonna glue down his eyebrows. You know this? You know this?
Yeah, you warned me about
I did
this.
tell him about this.
Oh yeah? Okay, good.
We're probably gonna have to glue down your eyebrows.
We're gonna glue down his eyebrows. And then while you do that, I'm gonna try to glue on. So I made, with a glue gun, I made scars. Yes, this is with a glue gun. I just made some scars and put it on wax paper. See how easy that comes off?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Isn't that perfect? And then you just take...
Did I do enough?
Yeah, do a little more. He's got dark eyebrows.
I've never done this.
Ah, well.
No. I mean, I've seen the tutorials, I've seen videos.
Yeah?
I haven't done it.
Okay. So let's get some scars down. So, and this, all this is eyelash glue. So let's put one right here. You got that? See if it glues on. Perfect. And then he has one down here.
And then we paint over them, right?
And then we're gonna color over it. Now the first thing I'm going to use is primer. If you don't use a primer, we're just going to be ripping your face off. Go ahead, you can put the primer on.
Everywhere, right?
Everywhere. And this, as you can see, I'm using this as a palette. Now one of the things I've learned also when I'm doing Edward Scissorhands is you don't go pure white, because then it looks like a clown. So
that's true, yeah.
I put a little bit of flesh color in here and a little bit of green. All right, first things first, let's get those eyebrows. Now, I'm not gonna let you be this white. I'm gonna blend it in.
Then you blend and blend and blend. Blending is the secret.
Okay, so what I do is, yes, I know I'm covering it with, but it's going to become part of...
Yeah, part of the eyes.
Yeah. Now, I had to make this wig because I didn't like the ones they had in the store, so I kind of like pieced together some wigs. That look good there? All right, now we need hands.
Look like Edward Scissorhands.
I look like Johnny Depp now?
Yeah, now we need... Yes, you do. You actually do. Now,
you know what? He needs a little bit of contour.
Yes, let's do
some contour. A little
contour.
pinch of contour.
Let's see.
You got it? This one goes there. Now these I made for my son a few years ago for a cosplay. And basically I just took a garden glove, and I took a lot of scissors that I took apart. And these are cardboard with skewers in them, so you don't hurt anybody.
Yeah, this is so cool. I love how you can see like pieces of the scissor and everything.
Yeah, I know. It doesn't look pretty up close, but for Halloween.
It looks like, you know, authentic.
Ah! Very good. Now stand up.
Very cool.
Stand up, Mr. Scissorhands. There you go. How do you feel? Yay! Oh, look, you do look so cute with the dark eyes. It's so pretty. Oh, perfect.
Perfect. Thank you, Mom.
Perfect little couple. So we'll be right back. Kim and I are going to make a recipe for some lunch. Some butternut squash soup. We'll be right back.